So this is part 3 of designing lessons for the interactive whiteboard. And in this section I want to talk about lessons that use exploration or experience. So these are a little different than the other ones in that these lessons are designed so that they work independently without the teacher present. And how that works is they have a built-in feedback mechanism so the students can see if they're right or wrong, and they can experience the exercises themselves without having an intermediary say yes, that is correct, or no, that is not. So let's take a look at what this means. This, for example, is a map, and when you click on this, it gives you a tool that allows you to zoom in. So students can explore protests that happen in Madison, Wisconsin by actually zooming in on the exact spot the protests happen. And it has a high-resolution photo that you can see where this is State Street in Madison, where a busy street that a lot of protests happen. You can actually see where the protests happen. I don't have it in this example, but each of these slides could contain, say, a link to an article or maybe even a news clipping. And so this map becomes a way to explore what happened in the town and where. And we don't need the instructor present because the students, once they learn how to do it, can explore the map on their own, while the instructor works with other students on different projects or, I don't know, relaxes at their desk. This next one is another story problem about Lazy Dan, who needs to either build a wall that is a rectangle 4 feet by 5 feet, or a wall that is a 4 feet by 5 feet triangle. And apparently I have a typo here. Pretend that says triangle. So the question is, which one uses less bricks? So we all know the equations, which is for the area of a rectangle is base times height, and the area of a triangle is base times height times 1/2. But this lets students actually experience how that works by filling in the bricks by hand. And I won't fill them all the way in here. But this gives them a chance to experience it, and it gives them immediate feedback because it can tell you if it's right or wrong. Are the bricks inside the shape? If they are, then it is right. If they are not, then it is wrong. And then triangles, we have to have half bricks to fit into these little areas. And so after they finish that, they can see what the area is by adding up 1/2 and 1 whole unit. Then when they go to the next page, it actually gives them the equations, which they could annotate and work out on their own. 4 times 5 equals 20. And 1/2 times 8 times 4, 8 times 4 equals 32. Oops. And half of 32 is 16. So the triangle, even though the numbers are bigger, is actually going to take less bricks. So I think I'm going to stop now because the next example will take longer than I have available.